if you are not following a proper model to promote your affiliate product and services, then it may happen that you will struggle more and make less money. So to follow proper model, in this video I am going to tell you a model that you can follow and get better results than your earlier results. So if you are not following any model, please watch this video fully and understand the model. After that you can implement in your promotions, in your strategies, so that you will get better results. Let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Fageriya, and if you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it. And if you are not following a model in promoting your affiliate product and services, I recommend you to follow a model, and that I am going to discover in this video how you can follow that. So the number one thing is, take affiliate marketing as a business. If you are not taking affiliate marketing as a serious business, then there is high chances that you will make less money and you will not succeed in affiliate marketing. So please take it seriously, take it like a business, so that you know that I have to run this business, I have to feed this business, and this business will feed me back. And the next point is, have focus on one plan. There are so many models to promote affiliate products, and I am also going to make videos on that models in future, and one model I am going to tell you in this video. So please don't try to follow all the models at the same time. Follow one model, focus on one plan at a time, and if you are not getting results on that plan based upon your niche, then you can try another plan, but follow one plan at a time. And next is, target a specific market. What people are doing when they are new to affiliate marketing and they starting their affiliate marketing business, they are trying to promote their affiliate product to each and everyone, but that is not the right strategy. Please decide your target market, specific market, to whom you want to promote, and promote to that people only. Now let me tell you the model. What is the model and how you can implement this model. Model for promoting, number one is, promote your landing page. Don't promote direct affiliate links. Promote your landing page so that you can collect the emails, you can collect the name, and if you want to collect, you can collect phone numbers also. And if you are not in the position to buy fancy products to make landing pages, then you can make free landing pages on guru.cm. So you can create free landing pages using guru.cm. And the next is, how to create your landing page. You can create simple landing page of 2 pages. Number one page is where you can show them a free video, and the elements of video I am going to tell you. Number one, it should be revealing secret number one of your product or your service. What is your product about? What is your service about? And the secret number one that people can get benefited, that should be in this video. And the next element of this video should be, explain product or your service. Explain how they can use, how can they get benefited. So this is the element number 2 of the free video. And number 3 is your form to collect name and email. So this is going to be your page number 1, free video, simple page. On the top of the video, free video, and in video reveal secret number 1 and explain product or service, and below collect name, email, and the submit button. And after that, redirect them to thank you page. And what you have to include in thank you page is, on thank you page, number 1 is, explain benefits of the product and service. Still you have not driven your traffic to your affiliate link. Before driving traffic to your affiliate link, please explain the benefits of your product or service. And number 2 is, explain how to use. So in first video you are going to tell them the secret number 1, and you are going to explain the product and service. And in the thank you page, you are going to explain them the benefits of that product and service, and you are going them to explain how to use. And the next is send them to affiliate sales page. And below that video, you can put your affiliate link so that you can send them to your affiliate link. And next thing is follow up emails. If your potential customers are not buying at instant, then also you have collected their email and name, so you can automate follow up sequence to that people. So what to write in the emails, what to write in the follow up emails, what to write to your potential customers. Number one is deliver value and promote page number 2. You know they have watched video number 1 and you having their name and email, so please don't promote page number 1, promote page number 2. And next email you can write again deliver value and promote page number 2 again after 1 to 2 days, so that you can have proper nurturing by providing value. And the third email you can again write is deliver value about your product or your service, about your niche, and promote direct affiliate sales page. Because sometimes what happen, customer is not going to click on the affiliate sales page, that's why he or she is not able to buy the product. So in the third email you can promote direct affiliate sales page if your affiliate program is allowing you. And next email is again deliver value and promote related products. If your potential customer is not buying your same product and the product you are promoting, then you can promote similar products of your niche in the next email, so that it may happen that customer will end up buying some products. And the next is keep nurturing through emails, videos and podcast. Convert them into your followers and continue keep nurturing them. Deliver value through emails, deliver value through YouTube videos and deliver value through podcast. This is the number 1 affiliate model. How you found this affiliate model, please tell me in the comment below. And next is run advertisements. After making sales through this process, run some advertisement to drive traffic to your landing page or to your offers. And if you are still not clear how to follow this affiliate model, then I am going to tell you the next step. Book clarity session with me. You will find the link in the description of this video, and that is going to be a free clarity session of 30 minutes, and I will clear you all things and I will make sure that you will follow affiliate models. And number 2 is find accountability partner. Sometimes we struggle to take actions. So by having accountability partner, you can take better actions. You are responsible to another partner that I am taking action, and your partner responsible to you. And if you want to find accountability partner, you can find that on Youth Info Hub. You can join our Telegram group, you can join our Facebook group. You will find link below this video, and where you can connect with other accountability partner who may be doing the same thing as you. And if you are having any question, please ask in comments. I am here to reply you. And if you have still not liked this video, if you found this video useful, I request you to like the video, so that will boost up YouTube algorithm to show up to other people's also. And thanks for watching this video. Best of luck for your affiliate marketing model. Follow proper model. Don't be shy to follow models, because model will work. Thank you.